Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the safety rules workers using ionizing radiation do in order to reduce their exposure to this ionizing radiation. These strict safety rules include keeping as far away as possible a distance between the source of radiation and themselves. This can be done by using special handling tools with long handles, for example. By this, they reduce the probability that the radiation strike their skin. Another measurement is that to spend as little time as possible in the at-risk areas, so they should reduce the exposure time. The third step is that they use shielding material. They shield themselves by staying behind thick concrete barriers or they can use thick lead plates. So, in the industry, workers use remote handling equipment and they are protected behind LED screens to prevent exposure to gamma rays. Nuclear workers wear a badge containing photographic film. This is developed frequently to carefully monitor the worker's exposure to radiation. That's all. Thanks for watching.